How to log out of WhatsApp on Android and iOS. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open WhatsApp on your device. Then click on the three dots at the top right corner of your screen. Also, there's no one way to simply log out. Here, click on Settings and here. After you click on Settings, click on Account. After you've clicked on Account in here, you'll find different options pop up. Click on Delete Account. Now add your phone number and press on Delete Account at the bottom. After you click on Delete Account at the bottom, select reason why you want to delete your account. After you've selected one of the reasons why you want to delete the account, at the bottom, add a brief description if you want and press on Delete Account. Again, press on Delete Account in here. After that, your account will be deactivated or deleted. Now, if you want to log in, you can simply log into your WhatsApp account using the same phone number. And this is how to log out of WhatsApp on Android and iOS. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. If you got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. Thank you for watching.